Okay, so for this project, a lot of people have done tables like this, but I wanted to do a bird bath. So I got these pots because I like the shape of them when they're together, and I got 3 instead of 2. So for the bird bath, I'm going to put 2 like this, and then the third one is going to go on top. I like these pots because when they come together down here, it's a nice clean edge. They don't have the big lip like some of the other pots. Then I got this silver tray. This one's a little bit deep compared to a regular tray, which is nice for a bird bath. And I'm going to glue that on top and then paint all of that together. Now for the bottom bucket, I put in some crushed stone in the bottom because the pots are light and you need something heavy before you glue them together. If not, with the wind we have here in Newfoundland, your bird bath or your table is going to fly across your patio. So I put just in some crushed stone just to make the bottom one nice and heavy. So I used Rust-Oleum spray paint in Satin Aqua for the bird bath. So I've spray painted it all to make it even. And there's still some gaps here where the pots are glued together. So I'm just going to use a glue gun to fill those in and then use a bit more spray paint to cover it up. So now that we have our bird bath completed, I wanted to add some of these vase fillers that I got at the dollar store, so the water will give a bluish tinge, just some decoration. I also got these lily pad lights at the dollar store, and they light up when they touch the water, so I wanted to add a couple of those so that it lights up during the night to give the garden some light. And then my little guy picked up this little frog that he wanted to add just for some whimsy on the side of it. And there is our completed bird bath. It's a nice way to add some color to your garden.